No other time in the building history do we have a better understanding of what we built and what we can build. Home Building Crossroad can be a way for people to understand that our goal is to put a house in a position for success.
I'm Jake Bruton, and today on the Unbuild It podcast on YouTube, I want to talk to you about a discussion Peter Yost and I were just having about the fenestration in this, like, quote, mother-in-law suite. So we don't have a second means of egress from this space. It's elevated on the second floor. So we didn't feel right about violating the code basically and not having a second entrance or a second set of stairs. So if you were to think about this as like a brownstone apartment on the second floor, you'd have to have a fire escape, you'd have to have a second set of stairs, a back staircase, something like that to make it a legal habitable space so it's its own space. There's the one set of stairs, it's above the garage. We have to be careful here how we handle things. So it's set up so that it could be finished at some point if the clients choose to, but we're not going to finish it. And we could add a door or something up here if we wanted. But you walk into this room and we just have 3 windows. It starts with this little guy, it goes to a more standard, closer to a 3050, I think it's 2.5 by 5. And then we have a large window in the front of the room. And what we're talking about here is you can tell that we have a plan in place so that if we decide to finish it at some point. So it starts with the little window. We're above countertop height. That way everything can take place underneath of it. We don't want to have to remove a window and reorder a window from Europe just because we decided to add a cabinet. There is a corner that has no windows. We have space for a bathroom. It's a decent sized bathroom for a 1-bedroom mother-in-law. And then we have 2 more windows that are both would be in the living room / bedroom space. It'd be, it's a studio apartment at that point. And Steve, the architect on the project, made the choices based off of future plan and the site. So our biggest window overlooks the house and down the valley. And that's something that you just don't get if you haven't made a site visit, if you don't know what the space is going to be. So it's this integrated design process from our pre-construction agreement that gets Steve involved all the way through to how do we operate the space long term. So it's a simple little conversation about why is that window too small? Why is that window bigger? Why is the big window over here? It all makes perfect sense. Thanks for watching.